Hi, and welcome back to PowerPoint. Now we're going to work on our PowerPoint Lesson 2, Step-by-Step Promote and Demote Content. Over here in Blackboard, I went to Coursework, the PowerPoint Lessons, and I've got this file here, and I'm going to be needing this file, so I'm going to click on it to open it up. And you can see it's a Word document. I'm going to just enable editing here. And so I've got this Word document that I've already typed a lot of information on, and I need to make a PowerPoint out of this. But I don't want to retype everything, so I'm going to use this document to create a PowerPoint. So I'm just going to shrink it down here, and if I can get the right button. There we go. And I'm going to open up over here to my textbook. You can see I'm on page 60, start a presentation from a Word outline. This is where the information is. First thing I need to do is I'm going to go to PowerPoint and click the File tab. So I'm going to open up PowerPoint document here. And it wants me to click on the File tab. And I'm going to click Open because I'm going to create a new document. But remember, I'm going to create it based on that Word document. So I'm going to go to my computer and browse, and I'm going to go to my downloads. And in my downloads, you can see here's a lot of different PowerPoints that I have. If I come down here to the bottom, here it's set to all PowerPoint presentations. I want to see all of my downloads, so I'm going to click on all files, and here's my computer use policy. This is the document. I actually have opened it twice, that's why there's two of them here. So I can click on that now, either one, and I'm going to click Open. And why isn't it letting me do it? Let me see what's going on. Let me close. I guess I had both of them open, so let me close them. And so make sure after you click on that Word file, then you close it. So I'm going to go to File and Open, Computer, Browse. I'm going to go to my Downloads. Here's my computer use policy, and I'm going to click Open. And now it is going to create a PowerPoint. So that Word document that I had, I now have all that information, and each area is set on a different slide. So one of the keys to doing this is that you make sure you click on the file name here. It's going to open up that Word document, and when you open it, it puts it in your downloads files, and then make sure you close that Word document, and then you can create your PowerPoint. Okay, now we've got all this done. Now we're going to promote and demote our content. So promote and demote. What it's talking about here is changing the bullet points on our PowerPoint list. And so we're going to go to slide 2, and we're going to click at the beginning of the second line, so right here at desktops. And we've got computers. Now we want this desktop and network servers to be indented another ½ inch. So I'm just going to click on the Tab key on my keyboard, and it's going to move it. So now I have this first line computers is what's called the first indent, and then the second one is here at our second level indent. And so we're going to do the same thing with network servers, and we're going to click our tab, and so we're going to demote that. So we demoted those two lines. So we're also going to do the last two bullets, but this time if I just go ahead and select them and then hit tab, it's going to demote them both at the same time. So you can do them line by line, or you can just highlight the area that you want to demote and select it. So now over here in our textbook area, it's wanting us to switch to outline view. So remember to do that, we're going to go to the View tab and then click Outline View. So now we have all of our text over here. On the outline pane, we're going to select the last 3 paragraphs on slide 2. So in Microsoft lingo, each line is a paragraph. So software is 1 paragraph, operating systems, network opening systems, applications, and email programs is a 2nd paragraph, and data, including email messages, is a 3rd paragraph. So anytime after you hit the enter key, you're creating a paragraph. So we want to select these last 3 paragraphs on slide 2. And then we're going to hold down on our keyboard the Shift key and the Tab key. And what that's going to do is Shift Tab, it's going to create that it's another PowerPoint slide with the information that you had highlighted. So you can see now instead of the software being on slide 2, it's now on slide 3. Software, since it was a title or since it was a first line, first level tab, is automatically put as the title, and then you've got your 2 systems, your 2 lines here, the operating systems and the data are both tabbed here on slide 3. Okay, so we want to get rid of this colon on software, so I can click over here in my outline view in backspace just to delete that colon. And then on the slide 2 title, we've got ownership, and we want to go ahead and delete this ownership. We don't want that to be our title, so we're going to delete this, and when we deleted all of it, now all of that went to line 1. So on here, we want to, on slide 1, we want to select the bullets that were previously subordinate to ownership. So that would be the computers and the desktop, servers, and hardware. And we're going to hit the Shift Tab. And again, that's going to make that slide 2. So instead of having computers on there, we changed it to ownership. And we didn't have to retype anything. We just automatically highlighted it and we let the computer do the work for us. Okay, we're ready for number 11. We want to select the computers title on the slide layout here. And we want to change that to hardware. So we're going to just change this and type in hardware. I guess I need to get rid of this first C too. Sorry about that. And so now we are ready to save this. So we took our Word document and we made it into a PowerPoint, and then we took the information from the PowerPoint and demoted and created bullet points in our PowerPoint. Okay, so now we're going to go to File, and we're going to do a Save As. And I need to browse because you need to make sure you put it in the correct location. So I'm going to go to Computer. Actually, I didn't want my OneDrive here. Close that. I'm going to close this and go back to Computer and Browse and find my desktop over here. And my computer application assignments, and I'm just going to name this Lesson 2 and save. Now I'm ready to, I'm going to close this file. I'm going to go back to Blackboard. I'm going to click on the PowerPoint Lesson 2 step by step, and right here under Assignment Submission I can click Browse My Computer. I can go to my desktop, find my computer application assignments, click on Lesson 2, open, and now I'm ready to submit.